The crypto market has grown, changed a lot. It has big players and projects. Two stand out, Bitcoin and Ethereum. The first seems untouchable and supports the entire market, but the second one, Ethereum, shows great potential and is the second most beloved project of the crypto market, but it presents problems such as scalability and high transaction fees. But in this video, we will not just complain, but rather present a solution to this problem. Yes, ZK Rollups. To explain what zero-knowledge rollups or ZK Rollups are, we need to provide a brief introduction to Ethereum and the scalability problem currently occurring. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain-based platform that enables the execution of smart contracts and the development of decentralized application, the famous dApps. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a team of developers, Ethereum pioneered the introduction of smart contracts, which are autonomous programs that automatically execute the terms of an agreement when predefined conditions are met. This enables a variety of use cases, from decentralized voting systems to decentralized finance, the famous DeFi, and gaming. However, Ethereum faces significant challenges in terms of scalability and transaction fees. With the increasing popularity of the network and the growing number of dApps and transactions, Ethereum's ability to process these transactions quickly and at a reasonable cost has been a major struggle. This has led to an increase of transaction fees known as gas that users pay to execute operations on the network. High gas fees can make transactions expensive and inaccessible for many users and limit the large-scale adoption of dApps. Additionally, Ethereum's scalability has been a pain point, with longer transactions confirmation times and limitation on the number of transactions the network can process per second. This makes Ethereum less efficient and scalable compared to other newer blockchain platforms. To solve these problems, several solutions are being developed, including ZK Rollups, also called ZK Snarks, which aim to increase scalability and reduce transaction fees by allowing a large number of transactions to be processed outside of the Ethereum main chain, first layer as we call, playing this information in what we call also to the second layer, a layer 2. In addition to ZK Rollups, there are solutions such as Optimism, but these are solutions that can be explained in a future video. ZK Rollups are run on an Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, where in order to understand how they work, we need to understand what these ZK EVMs are. The term ZK EVM refers to zero-knowledge Ethereum Virtual Machine. To fully understand what this means, it's helpful to first understand what the Ethereum Virtual Machine is and how it works. The Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, is a Turing-complete virtual machine that runs smart contracts on the Ethereum network. It's responsible for interpreting and executing the code of smart contracts written in programming languages such as Solidity. EVM is fundamental to the functioning of Ethereum as it ensures that smart contracts are executed in a deterministic and secure manner on all nodes in the network. Now, by adding the term ZK, zero knowledge, in front of EVM, we are indicating an additional layer of privacy and security. ZK EVM solutions are designed to be compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, meaning that existing smart contracts on Ethereum can run on a scalability layer based on ZK Rollups without the need for modification. The main innovation of ZK EVM solution is the ability to prove the validity of a transaction or contract without revealing the underlying data. This is achieved using zero-knowledge proofs techniques, which allows a party to prove the truth of a statement without revealing any additional information other than the fact that the statement is true. Therefore, by combining the Ethereum Virtual Machine with the privacy and scalability features offered by ZK Rollups, ZK EVM solutions aim to provide a more efficient, secure, and private experience for Ethereum users. This can help minimize the scalability issues and high gas fees that the Ethereum network currently faces. Now that we understand what Ethereum zero-knowledge rollups and Ethereum Virtual Machine are, let's now get to know the companies that are leading in this type of second layer technology, the so-called layer 2. Let's talk about Starkware, ZK Sync, and Tyco. Starkware. Starkware ZK Rollup project is a layer 2 scaling solution that aims to increase capacity and reduce fees on the Ethereum network. It works by processing off-chain transactions and then validating those on-chain transactions using zero-knowledge proof. This significantly reduces transaction fees and congestion on the main chain, leading to a faster, more cost-effective transaction. Starkware ZK Rollup technology stands out for its emphasis on privacy, scalability, and efficiency, and aims to be widely adopted in diverse use cases such as decentralized finance and gaming. Starkware is one of the leading companies in the ZK Rollup space and is at the forefront of developing scaling solutions for the Ethereum network. Starkware uses its StarkX technology, a scaling engine powered by Stark, to power the YDX, a decentralized exchange. Starkware integration with the YDX enabled the implementation of a layer 2 solution based on ZK Rollup, which provides zero-knowledge proofs for data integrity and transaction settlements at layer 2. This resulted in a significant reduction in gas costs and an increase in processing capacity without increasing the load on the network. Starkware technology was chosen due to its ability to offer the best trading experience for IDX users compared to other layer 2 solutions, as well as its ability to provide a high level of decentralization and security. Starkware has been a leader in developing scaling solutions for Ethereum network, and its integration with UIDX demonstrates the positive impact of its technology on the DeFi ecosystem. I worked at UIDX for years and saw how UIDX became a famous DEX well before the app-chain thesis and going to Cosmos. ZK Rollups worked well in V3, which is a rollup for Ethereum. Still works today fine, meeting the needs of a decentralized exchange. The UIDX exit to Cosmos is about scalability, but has as priority focus on total decentralization, control over its own blockchain, and greater resistance to censorship. Let's talk about ZK Sync. The ZK Sync project is a layer 2 scaling solution for the Ethereum network based on ZK Rollups technology. Its main characteristics and differences in relation to competitors includes EVM and Solidity compatibility. ZK Sync is compatible with EVM Ethereum Virtual Machines and Solidity, ensuring that existing smart contracts and dApps on Ethereum can be easily migrated to ZK Sync without the need for significant modifications. ZK Snarks for privacy and security. So ZK Sync uses ZK Snarks, zero knowledge, succinct, non-interactive argument or knowledge, that's a long name, to provide high level of privacy and security while reducing the need for trust in layer 1 of Ethereum. High processing capacity. ZK Sync is capable of processing up to 100,000 transactions per second, the famous TPS, which makes it stand out in terms of processing capacity and efficiency. Smart contract support. ZK Sync have two distinct protocols, ZK Sync Lite and ZK Sync Era. While ZK Sync Lite is ideal for simple assets transfers and limited interactions with dApps, ZK Sync Era, on the other side, addresses these limitations by enabling native contract execution intelligence. ZK Sync is an attractive solution for applications that prioritize fast transfers, low cost, and support for smart contracts. Let's talk about the last company, Tyco. Tyco is developing a Type 1 ZK EVM rollup, which stands out for being fully equivalent to Ethereum. This means the solution will be compatible with Ethereum, allowing for maximum compatibility and hassle-free developer experience. This emphasis on maximum equivalence to Ethereum is a significant differentiator as it allows developers to migrate their existing smart contracts and dApps to Tyco without the need for modifications. Additionally, Tyco is seeking partnerships and large-scale implementations aiming to make its technology widely adopted and integrated into a diverse use cases such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and gaming. Tyco's innovative approach and focus on maximum compatibility with Ethereum puts in a unique position in the ZK EVM rollup space. Let's remember ZK EVMs, zero-knowledge Ethereum Virtual Machines. They are a technological innovation that aims to improve the scalability and the efficiency on the Ethereum network. But there are different types of ZK EVMs, each with its own characteristics and purposes. In Type 1 consensus level equivalence, ZK EVM Type 1 is a completely equivalent to Ethereum, reusing 100% of the EVM Ethereum Virtual Machine infrastructure. It makes no compromises to achieve EVM equivalence, and it's ideal for cases where maximum compatibility with Ethereum is essential. And conclusion. We can conclude that ZK Rollups are hot projects in this crypto market, focused on the Ethereum ecosystem, taking the place in a certain way of Ethereum 2.0 updates, where reducing fees should be a priority. Well, the improvement has arrived, but not enough to slow down the zero-knowledge rollup sector. If your project wants to scale to millions of users, but doesn't want to give up on being on the exciting network like Ethereum, you will probably have to hire a rollup service to make this happen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, follow my personal Twitter account, and take a look at my book, Santoro at Librecia, Santoro in Fredonia for English speakers. Bye.